Right, welcome. So if you've tried using ChatGPT to write content, you probably realize that it is not as simple as it seems, right? You cannot just go here and create an article like the one you see here with a featured image, a proper table of contents, proper article structuring with in-article images, internal links, external links, as you see here, right? This is a link right here, another link, in-article videos that are relevant to what the content is about, right? All this is done with AI, right? But with ChatGPT is quite hard. So I'm going to show you a way in about 10 minutes on how you can write blog posts literally 100 times faster using AI as well, not just ChatGPT, right? And the reality is that these rank on Google and these bring the actual money. This is the traffic, right? Some of this content is built with AI. We have a bunch of case studies here on this channel. I'll link them down below. And also if you go here just to this website real quick called tryjournalist.com, which is by the way the software that I'm using to produce this AI content, right? You're here to case studies and you'll see a bunch of case studies right here from real companies. This is actually a fintech company. They sell their banking service. They uses AI. This is all traffic grown, site grown with AI content, right? There's all here that's like the breakdown of what they're doing, why they're doing, the niche and all that. So just show that this works. Now, you're not here to see if this works or not, right? You want to write blog posts 100 times faster, right? And so if you're watching this, most likely you're already using AI and leveraging AI. And that's good, right? We want to leverage AI because people that leverage AI, right, they get ahead faster because you got to think of AI as a tool, right? A wrench, for example, AI is a wrench, a tool that allows you to climb up the ladder faster. While people not leveraging AI, they go step by step by step by step, while you skip ahead of the line because you're able to create content pieces like the one you see here, right? You don't have to be sourcing the images. You don't have to be figuring out where to place links in, internal and external, sourcing internal in-article images, sourcing the videos, right? You don't have to do this, right? You can just click here to post it straight to your website, right? You can skim through these and post them one by one, right? You can syndicate all this social media, right? There's a bunch of stuff you can do here. You can even set up an automatic blog so that it generates and publishes content on the back end on autopilot for you, right? So again, how can you do this? First things first is you go to tryjournalist.com, log in, click on generate articles, right? And just like with ChatGPT, right, there's an input you need to give to the AI so that it gives you the output, right? Now, the better the input with anything related with AI, the better the output, right? In this case, the input is all this, right? We can start down here for with the number of articles. So how many articles do you want to generate? We can do 300, right? Then starting from the bottom, do you want videos in your articles? You can enable this or you can disable it. You can enable automatic videos. So what happens is that the AI is going to write the article, then it's going to read through the article, then go on YouTube and find, okay, what's the most relevant video we can take from YouTube and add inside of the article. And also not just randomly added in the article, but added it in a section in which it makes sense, right? Very, very important. Images, if you want images in your article, something that ChatGPT doesn't do, right? You can use Bing images, your own brand's custom images, AI images, right? And you can enable, disable in-article featured images. You can enable, disable internal linking, external linking, the article structure with the size, all these sections, call to action. You can enable and disable all this. You can connect this to the web so that the content is up to date. You can even connect your brand so that the content is not just AI generated content like ChatGPT, right? This is like brand tailored using your own brand mannerism, your own brand's tone of voice, right? So it's actually brand tailored content, right? Speaking of content, you can select the language you want, right? There's over 150 different languages, Portuguese, Spanish, Greek, English, right? If you're targeting international markets, this is really good, right? For example, a lot of clients of ours have Shopify stores that sell all throughout Europe, and they have multiple blogs, right? Each one of them targeting different countries in Europe, right? And each country, of course, has different languages. Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, all those, right? You can change the target country, you can change the creativity levels, you can change the tone of voice, point of view, formality. You can even add custom instructions or force in any keywords you want. And finally, you can generate the content based off of titles, based off of keywords, or based off of a description, and also based off of a keyword monitor. Now, what a keyword monitor is down here. If you go to keyword monitors, you can add your site, right? Add your site, add your language, add your target country, and this AI will give you a list of keywords in which you should be producing content for, right? So you can take these keywords and have the AI generate and automatically publish content to your blog, right? With based off of these keywords. Now, again, why is this 100 times faster? Not just the part of writing, but also the part of publishing, right? Because if you go here and set up an automatic blog down here, right? You can create a blog that automatically, right, writes however many posts you want and publishes them every month, week, day, 12 or 6 hours. So essentially what you're doing is you're connecting this AI with your site. And by the way, your site can be anything you want, really. If you go here to integrations, we can connect with WordPress, Shopify, Ghost, Wix, Webflow, Blogger, even Zapier or National API. So it connects with a bunch of these sites. And what it's doing again is you're connecting the AI with your site, and it's doing the keyword research, right? Figuring out, okay, what keywords we want to rank for, then doing the content generation based off of this keyword research, then the content publishing automatically to your site, and also does the content indexing, right? So again, not just the not only can you write 100 times faster, but you also publish the content, indexes the content automatically on Google, and also syndicates it to social media. So as soon as a blog post is published to your site, you can set it up so it automatically syndicates it and publishes it to social media with a dedicated caption to your LinkedIn page, to your Facebook page, to your Twitter page, which is now called X, right? You do that by going here to social media, and you can set this up over here. I won't do it right now. It's quite simple. But again, my whole point here is that to write posts 100 times faster, you can use Journalist AI to write the posts, just like the ones that I showed you before, right? Of the golden retriever. But then not only can you write them faster, but you can also leverage this AI as a wrench, as a tool, right, to publish them, to index them, to syndicate them. So again, while other people are going up the ladder, right? This is a ladder, right, to success. Let's call success money. While other people are doing the keyword research manually, right? Figuring out, okay, what keywords do we want to target, right? While they're writing the content manually, while they're sourcing the images manually to add to the content, doing the same thing for videos, same thing for internal links, external links, publishing the content. This takes so much time because you're leveraging AI again as a tool. You're skipping ahead of the line, right? You're skipping all of these steps because again, this AI writes, it publishes, it indexes, and it syndicates content for you, and also does, of course, the keyword research. All of this on autopilot for you. If you want, right, you can set up an automatic blog to do it automatically. If you want to do it manually, you can also do it manually as well. Now, on top of that, and why this is better in ChatGPT is that, like as I said before, you can create brand-tailored content, right? And what this is when you're connecting the AI with your brand's knowledge base, right? Your brand's brand, your brand, right? Your brand is made out of assets, right? Your website is an asset, maybe some PDF documents you have, some Word documents you have, maybe your LinkedIn page, right? Maybe some audio documents. All of these are brand assets. And when you connect your brand with Journalist AI, right? Journalist AI is able to produce brand-tailored content. Like I said before, with your own brand's mannerisms, your brand's tone of voice, even your brand's images, right? So it's super powerful. It's essentially brand-tailored, non-AI generic content. Super, super powerful. So again, this software, as you saw, does a bunch of stuff, right? But the whole gist of it is, and the reason why you clicked on this video is to learn how to write blog posts 100 times faster. And again, it's quite simple. Just go here, generate articles, fill all this input, select how many articles you want, click generate. In a couple of minutes, it has the articles all done for you. Again, with images, videos, internal links, external links, bullets, tables, quotes, a bunch of stuff, right? All done for you automatically on autopilot. And again, he has some other stuff like indexing, social syndication, automations if you want to use them. If not, no worries. But you can, again, leverage this tool for that too. So yeah, that's it. That's how you write blog posts 100 times faster. And the reason why you should is because, again, if you don't, you're going to get left behind because you're going to be going up the steps one by one, while the competition is going to be just leveraging AI and spoken you as you go one by one, right? So yeah, that's it. That's the video. Again, I'll leave a link for the case studies down below. If I forget, just go to tryjournalist.com, click on case studies. You can read every single one of these ones. Right? These are real people, real businesses actually leveraging AI to grow their businesses, right? It's not just some fake stuff. And yeah, that's it. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.